and welcome, dear friends. Today I'll talk about Jupiter Rahu conjunction in Nadi Jyotish Bhrigu Nandi Nadi. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. So let's see. As you can see, this is a chart of the Kalpurush, and or you can say it is a chart of an Aries ascendant. Yeah. Now here you can see that in the 10th house, I've shown that this conjunction is taking place in the 10th house. That is Guru and Rahu, the Jupiter and Rahu, they are seated. Now, Jupiter is a significator of knowledge, Jupiter is a significator of wisdom, Jupiter is a significator of religion, duty, expansion, growth, faith. Rahu is a significator of illusion, confusion, dishonesty, cheating. Rahu is a significator of all kinds of addictions, darkness. Jupiter is a significator of light and Rahu is a significator of darkness. Rahu is also the significator of all kinds of studies or all kinds of knowledge that is hidden, mysterious, like even black magic. Or Rahu is and Rahu is also connected with connected to politics also. Rahu also signifies whatever is invisible and whatever is something that is invisible but something which is influencing us in a big way. Even the internet is also signified by Rahu. Television is signified by Rahu. Moving pictures or cinema signified by Rahu. So all these things are signified by Rahu. Now, so what can we say when Jupiter and Rahu are sitting together, say in the 10th house? In the 10th house, here we can see that Jupiter is in the sign of Capricorn. Capricorn is considered to be the sign of debilitation for Jupiter. Okay, so Jupiter is a little weak now. Jupiter is the Karaka of the native also in Nadi Jyotish. So Jupiter is a little weak. And Rahu is in the 10th house in Capricorn. Rahu is believed to be strong in the 10th house. Rahu does well in the Upachaya houses, that is 3, 6, 10 and 11, because these houses, the significations and results of these houses, the native gets these results over time, and these houses, they grow with time. So Rahu does well in these houses. So in the 10th house, Rahu is in Capricorn. It is also seen that if Rahu will give you good results, if Jupiter is the Karaka of the native in Nadi Jyotish. If Jupiter is posited in the signs of Rahu's friends, if Jupiter is in the signs of you can say if Jupiter is in a sign that is ruled by either Mercury or Saturn or Venus, then Rahu gives good results generally. We have to consider so many other factors, but this is you can say a general thumb rule. And if Jupiter is placed, Jupiter is the native, if Jupiter is placed in a sign, in a zodiac sign that is ruled by either Sun or Mars or Moon, then Rahu may not give very good results. This is generally observed. There will be definitely exceptions. As I told you in one of my previous videos, friends, that I also take into consideration the Lagna, because it signifies the birth of the native, the sign, the zodiac sign that was rising in the eastern horizon at the time of the native's birth. So if in the for ascendant also, like in the first house also, the ascendant sign is ruled by Rahu's friend, then you get good results. If it is ruled by Rahu's enemy, you don't get good results. You don't get the kind of results that Rahu could have given otherwise. So there will be a somehow the results will get kind of the good results, there will be a reduction or in the effect of the good results. But if it is placed in Rahu's, in the signs of, if the ascendant is in the sign of sign that is ruled by Mercury or Saturn or or Venus, then Rahu generally gives good results. Now friends, you can see that Rahu and Jupiter, they are in the 10th house here. Jupiter is debilitated, yes, and Rahu is powerful. Now in Nadi Jyotish, we have to also, if Jupiter's friends are aspecting Jupiter, then Jupiter also will get some strength. Yes. Now in Nadi Jyotish, we also take into consideration the degrees, and we look at degrees in a certain way. And if Jupiter's degree is less, then Jupiter is moving towards Rahu. Jupiter is moving, degree is less, Jupiter is moving towards Rahu. Jupiter now is, will wants to derive results from Rahu or not. But here, yes, in the 10th house, because Jupiter is in the 10th house, then we have to consider whatever aspects are falling on Jupiter from other planets. What aspects are falling on Jupiter? So if those aspects are beneficial, then Jupiter will derive strength. And in Nadi Jyotish, we believe that even if a planet is debilitated, you can always, get benefits from that planet through your karmas, through your actions. Because Nadi Jyotish believes in karma, the principle of karma. Even if a planet is debilitated, it will give you good results, provided you are bent upon improving that planet with the help of your actions. So, if the native, Jupiter is the native, if the native is strong enough, for that you have to also look at the position of the moon, how the moon is placed, because moon also signifies the mind, yes, how the sun is placed, sun signifies your spiritual inclination, yes, your soul. So you have to look at the moon sign, sun sign, and also the ascendant sign. Yes, then you will be able to say whether the native will be mentally strong or not. The ascendant sign is Aries. That is a plus point. Why? Because Jupiter and Mars, they are friends. So the ascendant sign is already giving some strength, will definitely give some strength to Jupiter, because ascendant's lord will be Mars, and Mars and Jupiter, they are friends. That is a positive thing. Then you also have to look at the moon sign and sun sign. Then you can decide about the native, what kind of whether the native will be strong enough to resist the temptations of Rahu, and whether the native will be able to even use this planet Rahu to become more prosperous in life. Because if you know how to tap the results of a planet for your own benefit and for your own well-being, then planets will give you good results. Yes, but you have to know that. That means what? That means you have to reform your actions, your deeds, even your thoughts, because actions are the results of thoughts only. Yes, habits. You have to improve your own actions, so that this planet Jupiter also makes the native very strong. How will Jupiter be strong? Jupiter is again the Karaka of the native, but Jupiter is a planet. How will it become strong? If you respect your elders, yes, if you take care of if you respect your teachers especially, and also all aged people in the family, because they are all aged, all people who are aged, who are old, they are also wise, because life has taught them so many things. Experience is the best teacher. They may not be very highly qualified, but they are wise. So Jupiter becomes strong if you look after the old people in your family. It becomes very strong. Jupiter becomes strong if you always respect your teachers. If you insult your teachers, Jupiter will become very weak. Whoever has taught you something, however small that thing might be, always be grateful. Never make fun of the teacher. Yes, we all are human beings. We may falter, and that is so natural, that is so human. But never make fun of others, never make fun of any teacher. If you do so, Jupiter will become weak. If you don't do so, if you improve your actions, then even if Jupiter is actually debilitated, Jupiter will give you very good results. You will become mentally strong. Yes, and then what will happen? Your knowledge will be expanded by Rahu, because Rahu is also the Karaka of expansion and growth. Whatever knowledge you have, knowledge here regarding your profession, because it is the 10th house, the knowledge of your profession, you have to also be whatever is your profession, you have to be dedicated towards your profession. Then you will get good results here. You have to be very practical, and you have to be dedicated, because Saturn, Capricorn is a sign of Saturn. Saturn wants you to be hardworking, practical, diligent, just. So if you are also trying to do that, then don't worry, debilitation cannot harm you in any way. And the knowledge of your profession, how to earn your livelihood, gaining more and more knowledge regarding that, because Jupiter is a planet which gives you knowledge. Yes. And then if you are also devoted towards your karma, karma is your profession, your work, whatever you do to earn your livelihood, yes, that is your karma. Then Rahu will expand that. In all good results, you will find an expansion in the good results that you are going to get from Jupiter, and Rahu will also give you all kinds of good results. Problems are also seen if the conjunction is very close. Conjunction is between 8 degrees, then also it is very close. 8 to 9 degrees or below that, conjunction will be very close, and it will give health problems to the native, especially problems related to the respiratory system and breathing. Why? Because Jupiter is the pran vayu, or it is the significator of oxygen, breathing, and Rahu is obstruction. So if the conjunction is very close, 8 degrees or below that, 9 degrees or below that, below even less than 9 degrees or 8 degrees, then what will happen? The native will have some breathing problem also. It could be asthma. Asthma is a disease which does not allow the native to breathe freely, and the native has to use inhaler and all. Yes. So all such situations may arise. Such natives usually keep their mouth open while breathing, because Rahu also signifies mouth and Jupiter signifies breath. So they will breathe with their mouth open. When they sleep at night also, their mouth will be a little open or wide open. Rahu is mouth and Jupiter is breath. Yes, and some breath related problems, and also there could be any kind of health problems. Because Rahu is now, if the conjunction is very close, that is also seen. Yes, and also what did I say, that Rahu's degree is less than now if Jupiter's degree is higher, then Jupiter already has, say Jupiter's degree is higher than Rahu, then Jupiter already has imbibed all the qualities of Rahu. Yes, Rahu's degree is less, now Jupiter's is higher. So that means the person already has certain significations of Rahu, certain qualities are already there. So maybe the person is already an addict. He may be any kind of addict. He may be addicted to smoking, drinking, gambling, or it could be even drugs. He may be addicted to anything which is not at all good for the native, no? So that is the negative thing. So if Rahu is is not in a very good nakshatra, and then if the native is already very close conjunction and the native's degree is higher, so native has already all these things. Maybe the native was born with such things from the time of his birth only. That is, from the time of his birth means he has brought all these things maybe from his previous life. Yes. So as he grows up, all these things will come out. He'll become an addict and all. But previous birth, we believe in previous birth, we believe in rebirth, we believe in the next birth. That is true. But then if we have a sense of self-control, if we have knowledge, Jupiter is also knowledge and wisdom. If we believe in knowledge and wisdom, if we believe in ourselves, then we can definitely come out of any addiction, even if that addiction is genetically there in us. Certain habits are there genetically there, maybe it was there in the ancestors and whatever. So even if it is genetically there, we can come out of that addiction. We can do that. Because why? Again, the significance of karma or actions in Nadi Jyotish. We can improve everything with our karmas. Then friends, if Jupiter is retrograde here, so I was talking about Jupiter and Rahu conjunction. Now Jupiter is not retrograde. Jupiter, I didn't talk about a retrograde Jupiter. I'm so sorry, here R is written. So say if Jupiter is retrograde, then Jupiter also 50% presence will be there in the 9th house. then Jupiter will become strong, because Jupiter, 50% Jupiter will be here and 50% Jupiter will be there in the 9th house. 9th house, Sagittarius, Jupiter's own sign, and 9th house, Jupiter's own house. So now Jupiter will become strong. Rahu will not be able to influence the Jupiter in any bad way. It will not be able to do that, because now Jupiter has become strong. So if Jupiter is retrograde, then it will give good results to the native in this case. So friends, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do share the video.